Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you a quick fix omelette, perfect for snacking, lunch or light dinner. This is always silence. Look at that. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I have my noodles here. I have Indomie noodles and then I have this Zuri. Both of them are chicken flavored. You can use spaghetti to replace the noodles. So moving on, right here on my stove, I have my pot of water. It's almost boiled. I'm going to go ahead and add in some salt to taste. And then I'm going to go in with my pasta. This smells good. So the packet instruction says 3 minutes for both of the pasta. Cook it for 3 minutes. When it separates, then it's just done. Okay, so I don't want to overcook my pasta. I'm not going to wait for the 3 minutes. It will actually get more time to cook with this recipe that I'm going to be making. Like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and drain it. And then I'm going to go in with cold water and then I'll rinse it up so that it doesn't stick together. Yeah. And then again I'm going to season it with a pinch of salt and some cooking oil again to prevent it from sticking together. We need it separated. I'm going to go in with a dash of oil and then I'll mix it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and set it aside. Right here I have some vegetables. I have a red pepper and a green pepper. And then over here I have coriander. And then I have 2 small red onions here. And then right here I have 3 cloves of garlic. I already prepared and washed my vegetables. So since I don't want these to be messy or watery, I'm going to go ahead and use my towel over here to wipe my peppers since I just washed them. As you can see, I'm shaking my pepper to make sure that I get rid of all the seeds. And then now I'm going to go ahead and just chop my vegetables. As you can see, I tried as thinly as possible. For the onions, I'm going to go ahead and chop them across. And then right here I have my usual tool. I'm going to go ahead and crush my garlic. First I'm going to go ahead and chop it in to tiny pieces that are manageable. You can use ginger and garlic paste. I actually don't have any ginger at home, so I'll just work with the garlic. And then moving on, right here I have 5 eggs at room temperature. And then over here I have my usual silver bowl. I'm going to go ahead and break my eggs to it. And then I'm going to go in with these spices that were in my noodles or my pasta. This is chili, and then this one is like seasoning. I'll just add it all in. I don't know why this is sticking to each other together. I think it's supposed to be a powder. Let me just try to crush it. I feel like it's not going to mix up well if it's solid like this. Just seasoning. I added it all in. I'm going to go in with a sachet or 2 sachets of chili in. You can replace this with some cayenne pepper that is hot too. I actually don't want this to be so hot. Whoa, look at that. It has like white pepper or something like that. I'm going to go in with another sachet. Let me just hope it's not so hot. This depends on how hot you want this to be. And then I'm going to go in with some salt to taste. And then right here I have some black pepper. I'm going to go in with just a pinch. That's enough. I'm going to go in with a pinch of turmeric too. And then I'm going to go in with some paprika to give it color. This is a 1/4 teaspoon. Now that I'm done with the seasoning, I'm going to go ahead and beat my egg together with my spices. This smells really nice. And then now I'm going to go in with my vegetables. I'm going to add in my vegetables when they're fresh like this. You can saute your vegetables for a few minutes, and then you have to make sure that you let them cool thoroughly, or this is going to be a disaster or a mess. If you want, you can saute them, and like I said, make sure you let them cool. It's a must. And then I'll mix them up. And then now I'm going to go in with my pasta. And then I'm going to use 2 spoons to mix this up properly. You know this looks really yummy, especially that I'm hungry right now. Oh, I actually forgot the garlic. Okay, I feel like it's mixed well enough. Okay, so I wanted to make myself clear here. I used 2 packets of noodles, and both of them are 120 grams. So the eggs depend with the amount of noodles that you have here, and then again it depends with the amount of vegetables. When I lift my noodles right here like this, I can still see some eggs below my bowl, which is good. So make sure you add a generous amount of your eggs in. So moving on, I fire up my soap, and then I'm going to go in with my pan, and then I'm going to give it a quick wipe. And then now I'm going to go in with some oil, and here again try to add a generous amount of oil to make sure this cooks up properly. I'm going to wiggle it around. Is it wiggling? I'm going to move my pan around so that I can spread my oil up. I'm going to go in with my vegetable mixture. apparently I didn't mix it up properly. You can see most of the vegetables are below. I'm going to spread it evenly, like what I'm doing here, so that it's uniform. So Shiwala is going to take about 10 minutes to cook on low heat. Just make sure you use low heat so it cooks slowly, even in the inside. I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. I'm going to turn on my timer to see how many minutes the first side is going to take. I feel like I need to check on it. Let me see. Not yet. I want to go ahead and check on it. I'm just too curious. So there is a little more oil on my pan. I don't want to burn myself. So before I flip it over, I'm going to try to drain the oil over here to this bowl. I have a plate here. I'll just quickly flip it over. You see, I was right. Although some of the egg is not yet cooked properly, and it's just stuck here. I'm going to add my pan back. And I'm going to go in with this egg / oil mixture. I'm going to add in a little more oil. Actually, since that part of my omelette kind of burnt, I actually quickly wiped my pan with a tissue paper. I'm going to add this back in, and I'll use my spoon to give it a good shape. I just want to let it cook, but then again I don't want it to stick, so I'll give it a little shake, and then I want to try to press on it just to make sure the egg inside cooks properly too. From the look of things, it cooks super quick. Don't want to burn it. Let me just take a peek. Okay, now I just feel like it's done. Wow, it smells real good. I'm going to go ahead and now just cut it in half first. Let me start from here. Okay, let's give this a test. Oh, this is good. This is so good. It's hot enough. The salt is okay. The vegetables are still juicy. And I need another bite. You have to try this. Thank you for watching this particular video, and I hope you try this easy omelette at home. You can use spaghetti like I said before. Make sure you check out my potato omelette recipe that I did a few years ago, maybe a year or months. Check it out on my channel. It's a step-by-step tutorial, and it's super quick and easy, and it's superb. I'm going to link it down in the description box on my cards, so you can just scroll down and then you'll get it there. And thank you for 400 subscribers. I'm really grateful, you guys. Keep subscribing to support me to create more videos. My aim is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, or even more than that. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.